Okay, in this one, I'm going to talk about the bevel tool. Very important to learn. Uh, typically, select an edge. To do a normal bevel, you can either use these gizmo tools, and then if you do, remember, for tools before the operation is completed, there's a window down here where you can change it before it's finalized. Okay, these are all important settings. We can switch to beveling verts or just edges. You can change what to do with the bevel to help you with your UV mapping, change the miters and all that stuff. I'll show a little bit of that in a sec. I just hit Control B, and I can use the scroll wheel to change the segments. And then this still comes up if you need to. You can change how to calculate the width. Do percentage, absolute, offset, and those can all be helpful in different cases. Okay, so for some of those miter options, I'll show you some examples here. But to do that, I'm going to add a bevel modifier. Okay. Just added a Boolean. So if we take a look here, we can see that is a sharp edge. That's the outer miter. There's a few different options. We can change it to a patch or an arc. Arc is super nice for hard surface models. So yeah, just be aware that exists. And that's the bevel tool.